Here is the second half of section 4.4. All we're going to do here is look at two word problems. How we can use our different forms for our equations, standard form, vertex form, or intercept form, to help us solve word problems. We have two of them that we're going to do in this video. An internet service provider sells high-speed internet service for $30 a month to 1,500 customers. Right off the bat, you should be able to make two categories. We're dealing with people, and we're dealing with money. How many people? 1,500. And how much do they charge? $30. For each $1 increase in price, go to your price category. Make a parenthesis, and what are you going to do to that price? For each $1 increase in price, increase is plus, and we're going to do $1 each, 1x. Remember, here's where you bring in the variable in the back, not with the front number. For each $1 increase, the number of customers will decrease by 25. People, go to the people category, and we're going to decrease by 25 each, minus 25x equals y. How much should the company charge in order to maximize monthly revenue? What is the maximum monthly revenue? All right, so for this one, you have your equation set up in intercept form. Why don't we use that intercept form to help us? We don't necessarily have to multiply this back together into standard form. You should be able to pull each one of these out and get your P and Q values. 150 minus 25x, set that equal to 0 and solve. 1,500 equals 25x. X is 60. Over here, x is negative 30. That is P and Q. Those are your intercepts. Now remember, you need the vertex. Vertex is halfway in between. P plus Q divide by 2. 60 plus negative 30 is 30. 30 over 2 is 15. 15, comma, plug it in. So we need to plug that in. We need to get the maximum revenue. Take your 15 and plug that into two spots. We can get a new price. 30 plus 1 times 15, 45. So how are we going to maximize the revenue? We're going to charge $45. What is our maximum revenue? Let's take 15 and put it into both of these equations. 1,500 minus 25 times 15. We're going to take that number and multiply it by 45. 1,500 minus 375. 1,125 times 45. And let's see if we get the same answer I got the last time I did this. 50,625. So again, the answers to the question, how much should the company charge in order to maximize revenue? $45 is your new price. And what will that revenue be? $50,625. Okay, we have one more to work on, and then we should be hopefully getting better at these. Monthly Teen Magazine has 28,000 subscribers when it charges $10 per subscription. So again, we've got two categories of people and price. 28,000, and the price is 10. For each $1 increase in price, go to your price category. Increase it by 1 each time. The magazine loses 2,000. Loses, subtract 2,000 each time equals y. How much should the magazine charge to maximize revenue? What is that maximum revenue? Let's do the exact same thing we did in the last one. Let's pull each of these out and solve for x. Here we get x equals negative 10. And on this side, 28,000 equals 2,000x. And x equals 14. Those are your P and Q numbers. Now, plug those back in. P plus Q, divide by 2. 14 plus negative 10 over 2. 4 over 2 is 2. 2 is not what you're going to charge. 2 is what we're going to plug back into the price number. Let's take our 2, go back into the price category, 10 plus 2, we're going to charge $12 for a subscription. $12, and then what's our maximum revenue going to be? It'll be 12 times however many people we come up with. So let's take our 2 and plug it in over here as well. 28,000 minus 2,000 times 2, there's 4,000. That gives us 24,000 times our $12. 24,000 times 12, $288,000. Excuse me, maximum revenue. So again, make sure you're answering the question carefully. How much should the magazine charge? It's not $2. 2 is the means that you use to get to your new price. So put your 2 back into your equation, 10 plus 2. We will charge $12 as a new price. And that gives us our maximum revenue of $288,000. All right, so your assignment now is lots of word problems. Hopefully you're getting a little better at setting these up and using your 3 different formats, standard form, vertex form, or intercept form, to help you solve them. Good luck.